I appreciate you joining us. It is Steve DeVal from Thor Motor Coach with your first look at not one, but two 2022 Windsports. Now let me set this up so I don't get a lot of angry comments down below. This is not going to be a full in-depth review. This is your first look because we do have a number of great Windsport floor plans that we do want to show you. We were able to get two of them this morning, and I don't know what is going to be coming off of the assembly line until about 8:30. We were able to get our hands on these, be it a gloomy day. We said, you know what a perfect day to show off a couple of Windsports. So we were out here doing a little driving. We're going to show you around the 34J and the 31C. One of the first things you'll notice is we have two new exterior colors. We have tropical red and we have bay blue. And notice the new front cap. And you know, this is a great place to be, Tom. We got our new front cap right here. Notice we got, the Windsport logo right there. Beautiful. Not only did we give you a nice new front cap, how about, boom, new rear cap. I love the way this looks. This is your new rear cap. And as we walk around, a lot of storage out here. You can take and shove all your camera gear into this storage bay if you want. One of the you know what, let's just show this off while we're here. Keys. We locked everything up on the way out. I got them right here. All right, exterior kitchen. And this is great, especially in a bunkhouse like this 34J, because you're gonna be set up with the family. You're gonna be outside. Look at that, you have a little fridge, you have a sink, you have a GFCI outlet right there, you have some storage, so you keep the drinks in here, and on a day like today, if it sprinkles a little bit, you got yourself a little bit of cover. As we come around, one of the things that we introduced, it was September-ish, we talked about the Max Pack on the Windsport, which was the bigger chassis, which gives us, bigger storage compartments in the bigger 22.5-inch tires. And you liked it so much, we decided, you know what, for 2022, let's just make that standard across the board. So that's what we did. You get the Max Pack with the bigger tires, you get the bigger chassis on there for larger frames. You're gonna get a smoother ride with this. And this is on the Ford F53 chassis with the Godzilla 7.3 liter V8, 350 horse. 468 pound-feet of torque, and they really did a lot of improvements. And when we get into the full video, I will go more into what Ford did to beef this chassis up. We're going to talk about jounce bumpers and sway bars, all kinds of exciting technical stuff. So you're going to want to hit subscribe so you can get all the information when we are ready for that. But let's go in and take a look at our 34J. A lot of great storage out here. You have your TV, you have your exterior propane connection. I'm gonna just kind of walk around here. This was new colors that we introduced here. This is Cloud 9 with our Carolina Cherry. This is just a nice kind of a gray tune. We do have our TV in here. Right up front, a couple of things that we're just going to point out. This is the dash, the integrated steering wheel controls, but now we have volume so you can keep your eyes on the road. You can change your source to your radio, all the controls you need, one-touch leveling jacks, you have your speakers, you have your streaming computer at the flip-up workstation. What's nice is you can see all the cables up there. We actually have that plugged in. There's a 120-volt outlet down there, and that is actually connected to the inverter. Yes, you have an inverter on this, so that is staying charged. While we give you a quick walkthrough here, you're going to have a lot of great storage in here. You have the Dream Dinette, that makes into a bed. You have your jackknife sofa, that's just a simple pull. You have a bed there. You have solar optional on board here, your battery disconnect switch. And again, this is not the complete tour here. This is just a quick look. I want to give you an idea of what's coming your way. I just want to see what we got going on here. Let's see who's watching. David, where you tuning? You tune in right here, right now. David, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. We have our pantry over here. Nice deep pantry for you. We do have our refrigerator, nice freezer, fridge. Solid surface counters, you have the sink covers right there. You can store them down below. You have your microwave. A lot of people love the oven, so how about that? How about an oven for you? How about a 3-burner gas cooktop? Look at that, you got that right there. And how about some fancy blue lights? What's great about this is these actually make a nice little night light for you at night. That's what I like to use when we are out. This is the bunkhouse, the 34J. I'm actually going to be able to take one of these out this summer which is going to be great. Going to go up to Mackinac, going to do a little exploring with the family. So I'll be keeping you in the loop so you can kind of stay up with the adventures here. And what's nice about this, you have the closet route up here. So if you don't need the bunks, you can probably decide, you know what, we're not using the bunks, and pull this out and flip this up and hang your clothes there. And when we go, that's probably what we're going to do, because my oldest daughter loves the overhead bunk, and then my youngest daughter usually takes the sofa or the dinette. So we'll probably turn this into our giant wardrobe. And you have a tablet holder. Tom will switch you spots here. I like this. You got a little tablet holder here. You can go ahead and put a tablet in there if you decide to use this as bunks with charging, so you can go ahead and stream with the WineGuard Connect. I do want to talk about this over here now, and I'll go into the bathroom. I'll show you why. Now, there are some of you out there online who are trolling saying, well, what kind of storage is it? I'll tell you what kind of storage is this is called maximizing your space. Okay, so in here you can fit little knickknacks, some ho-hos, because I love the midnight snacks. You know, if the kids have video games, you can store those in here, some movies. All right, so just some little stuff up here. You know, maybe you use this to keep your extra soaps and shampoos and your sunscreens and all that. And why is this here? Well, we could have just left this empty and just had an empty wall for you. We can't go into the wall because the bathroom and the shower's right here. And if we expand it out, when the room is closed, you won't be able to get back there. So we're just going to switch out lights here, and we're here about. You got that, Tom? Oh, yeah. Look at that. He's multitasking. So he's switching batteries from source 1 to source 2 so we can get you some light. So as we have that here, we got our multiplex right here, our Rapid Camp Plus. This does it all for you. You can control your bunk, and there's a whole video on how this works. And when you watch the how to use your Windsport Hurricane video, you will get a full rundown. So see, that's why we can't go into that wall for the wardrobe. So it's a great use of space. Store your little stuff there. Look at the counter space in here. I mean, you got great counter space in here. You have a shower with glass door. You do have a vent. You do have high velocity vents throughout here, as well as 2 AC units. You have that skylight, so you get in there and you're showering up, and then you get back here into the bedroom. And look at this. Great bedroom, giant wardrobes. You have a TV. You have charging ports everywhere. You have 12 volt, large wardrobe. Your table is stored back here up front. We'll talk more about that in the full video, but this is a quick look at the 34J. Let's take a quick hike over to the 31C. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see the entire video. That'll be coming your way here before you know it. It is time to get all of our model year videos started. We brought you a Tiburon last week. We were able to get, it's clearing up, Tom. Nice. We maybe, well, that looks awfully dreary off to the side. But you have your mirrors with your cameras in there, pet window, trucker window, whatever you want to call it. Dogs look out. For the driver, you can see out here if you have, maybe a motorcycle or a little tiny car there. You have your gravity-fed fresh water tank here. TV, look at that. New TVs, integrated sound bars for you. Comes out right here on a swivel, Bluetooth connected. You have some extra HDMI ports. Family movie night outside under the power awning. Armless awning, by the way. And what's really cool, and we'll show you a little bit more when we get into the video, is the LED lights are integrated into the arms. Frameless windows, which is huge because the seals are in the inside. So one, they're not going to rot for you, and you can pitch them open, and it's not going to leak for you. Again, this is our bay blue graphics. I love this. As we go inside here, let's take a quick look. This is the same interior decor as the 34J we were just in. A little different setup in here. Coat closet right at the entry. You come in, you throw your shoes in there, you hang your coat up. All right, we got our dinette. We have our sofa. Great front seats. These are comfortable for the drive. They do swivel around. You can pop a table here and off you go. But you have the same great features I just showed you. Have flip-up countertop in here. Love this floor. This floor looks great. Microwave, storage, sink. Now, this is my favorite part. Well, okay, part 1 of 2 of the 31C. This split bath is phenomenal. You have a sink in here, so if somebody's out here getting ready. You have your medicine cabinets, you have plugs, you have the hair dryer, whatever it is, right? So you're out here getting ready, and someone's in here getting ready, and you have a full bath in here. So what a great setup, right? You got the corner shower with the sliding door. You have a sink, you have the toilet. Everything you need in here. I love this bathroom setup in this 31C. This is great. Another feature I love as we walk back through here, you have a nice big bed. This. I just walked in to the walk-in closet. This is why it's called a walk-in closet. Over here, if you'd like, washer dryer combo. It is prepped. It is ready to roll. So if you want to add one of those, if you're going to full-time, you can go ahead and throw that in here. You do have rods for your closets. You have a couple of outlets. Full-length mirrors. You can stand back here and realize your hair is all messed up because it's super windy out. You can fix it. You can lock it and fix it. A lot of drawers back here. Look at this. 31C. Love this floor plan. And this is just 2 of the Windsports we make. Yeah, there's more. It's 35M. There's the 29M. And we're going to show them to you all. So what you need to do, I'm going to check, see who's watching right now. How about we do that? Oh, look at that. Who is all watching? All right, so Annie, hello. Thanks for watching. Annie says, my sweet Gemini could fit in the back. I love those Geminis. Those are great. Yeah, you know what? This is pretty big. You could probably, I don't know if you can fit a Gemini in there, but you can try it out. Send us the video. Tammy, thank you for watching. Just what you're looking for. You can find more information on thormotorcoach.com. If you would like more detailed information, you want to talk to your friend at the factory, we have our Coach Link Sales Advisor team. They are ready for you. If you go on thormotorcoach.com, click on your sales advisor, and you can put in some information, and our Brandon or Heather will get back with you and answer all your questions. Nathan, hello from Signature RV in the UK. Hey, Nathan, good to have you with us. I appreciate you tuning in, as you always do. And Jason, hello for watching. Hello for what? That is some good grammar on my end, Jason. Jason, thank you for watching. He says, would this be the place to ask for a video tour of the Magnitude? You know what? This is the place, because what I and Tom, and that is horrible grammar. This is not Good Grammar Monday. What Tom and I are going to do, we are going to take, as we are out shooting the videos on these, to bring you, again, what you're going to subscribe, so you are some of the first people to see them. We will bring you these little live, quick sneak peeks. You can be the first, so you can at least get a taste. This is a little flavorful nugget of what we're going to bring you, because we do spend a lot of time. I know you watch the videos, and sometimes they're 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes. These will be a little bit longer for you this year, and we're going to be a little more in-depth. Not quite showing you how to use every single gadget in your motorhome. We have those out for you right now, so you can watch those on our YouTube channel. It's how to use your fill in the blank, right? So in this case, it would be the Windsport, and we go through every single feature and function. So those videos are set aside for that. What we're working on is going to show you the 2022 features. A lot of new colors, a lot of new design looks, some new features and bells and whistles that we'll bring you, and we're going to show those off. And we do spend quite a bit of time. We got out here, gosh, it's almost 2 o'clock now. Time we got out here, what, about 10, maybe? We take and we detail the motorhomes for you. We get them all shined up so everything's looking good. Now this one doesn't have all the fancy decorations because we were just out here shooting some exterior videos for you, but we'll get the fancy decorations in there for you. And we bought props. We bought cookies and cupcakes. Sometimes I eat the props, and that's okay. And I do have to say, Tom has been very, very good. The other day, he passed on a delicious chocolate cupcake because Tom is being a very good boy. I ate the cupcake. I just ate the prop. So make sure you are liking. If you're watching this, because right now we're on Facebook, we are on YouTube, and we are on Periscope. So if you are on Facebook, hit the like button, go ahead and follow us, and then whoop, jump over to our YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get the notification. If you are on our YouTube channel and you are not a subscriber, why not? This is where all the fun is. This is where all the action happens. All that sweet Thor Motor Coach motorhome action on our YouTube channel. So hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified. And if you're not on our Facebook channel, hop over there. And again, if you're on Periscope, hop over to our other 2 channels and like and subscribe. I want to know in the comments, no matter what platform you're on, what are you looking forward to most? Is there a particular model? Maybe you are excited. I know someone wanted to see the Palazzo. We got a Palazzo coming. What do you want to see? We have so many things. I can't wait to bring you the Gemini and Compass. I love that Ford Transit chassis with the all-wheel drive. I think it's a little rocket ship. going to get out there on the highway, drive it for you this year, kind of give you a sense of what that's about. Maybe there's some new exciting floor plans. I'm waiting for one to hopefully come off this week and we can bring it to you. I'm not going to tell you what it is. All I'm going to say is bunkhouse. Big, beautiful bunkhouse. You're going to want to see it. I can't wait. New furniture design. I was talking to the designer and she was saying, we got this and we haven't done this before. And I was like, Maureen, that sounds awesome. Hey, we'll bring it to you. So make sure you're hitting the bell and you're liking and subscribing so you can see that. I'm very excited about it. I haven't seen it yet. I have only heard rumors. I've heard talk. So we'll bring you that. Maybe there's some new really cool products coming down the line too. We'll bring you later on this summer. So I can't say anything more than that. I probably shouldn't have said that, but I did. What are you going to do, right? Like, subscribe. Thanks for being here. We appreciate it. Yes, Tom.
I can hear in my headphones somebody screaming at us right now. They're saying, what's the MSRP? What's the MSRP? Where can these people find that?
You know where you can find that? ThorMotorCoach.com. Everybody wants to know the MSRP, and what you do is you go over to build your motorhome, find your motorhome, and then you can pull up the floor plan and all the MSRP information is there. Some people will ask, well, I live here, what's the price? That is where, a couple of things, you can find a dealer near you, all right, and you can find local pricing, and you can talk to our CoachLink sales advisor. They can help you find the motorhome you're looking for and connect you with the dealer near you. So that is what you want to do. ThorMotorCoach.com. Click on whatever motorhome you're interested in, and then you will find the floor plan and the MSRP right there. And that's how easy that is. That is how easy that information is. So I appreciate everybody watching. Tune in, like, subscribe. We hopefully will have something very exciting to bring you this week. I'm crossing my fingers. Thanks for watching all of our little happy camper stories. If you haven't, you don't know what they are about, they're on our YouTube and our Facebook channel. Just where I'm talking to people who have been out there adventuring. I did some great stories. The last one I did was with a great couple, Steve and Carrie Smith. They decided, you know what? The kids are off, right? Well, not really off. They're learning from home. So let's buy a motorhome and let's go see some of the things that they had to miss on their field trip. And they can learn remotely. And it's one of those once in a lifetime opportunities that you never get. And this is really more of their story. This has nothing to do with, hey, here's this great feature and here's this. This is just people telling their stories. And if you have a great story that you'd love to share with me, I'd love to hear it. I'm working on one with a gentleman who owns a team of stunt dogs. Like, when you go to the fair or wherever and they're throwing the Frisbees and they're doing somersaults and they're riding scooters and they're making omelets, he travels around and is outlaw with these stunt dogs. So I'm setting that up so I can talk to him. So if you have a happy camper story, I'd love to hear it. Drop me a comment down below and we'll connect and we'll get that out there. So a lot of great ways to stay connected, all of us together, so we can get out there and enjoy this great, big, beautiful country now that things are starting to open up and life is returning to normal, which I'm so thankful for. Hopefully we'll run into each other at some point as the shows are going to hopefully run again this season. So a lot of great things happening as we head through middle of April already into May, into summer. So I can't wait to talk to you again. I hope to see you this week. If you hit the bell and you subscribe, you'll know Steve and Tom are coming at us with something exciting. So until then, hit the bell, like, subscribe, and we will see you hopefully again this week right here on whatever social media platform you're watching on. Have a great day.